and we were back to online health education class. So last time we have studied the sickness and illnesses and all other injuries that we can get from accidents and unhealthy condition of our body. Now this time, Teacher Sasa will show you and review the household medicines that we can have at home, and also the kinds of household drugs and medicines that we have. So Teacher Sasa will review first before I get into the next lesson. Now here we go. So household medicines or drugs are drugs that are kept at home in case of minor illnesses or injuries. We can buy this from the pharmacy or the drugstore. Now, where can you buy a medicine? Where can you buy a medicine? I can buy from pharmacy or drugstore. There are two types of household drugs. The topical medication, which is the external use drugs, and the oral medication, which can be taken and ingested. So you can determine or identify a household drug because of this label. It has a Thai version and is printed in the green border to indicate that the medication is suitable for using at home. Now, the oral medication are medicines that can be taken through the mouth. So you can take it and can be ingested within your body. So we have different kinds of oral medications. What are these? Tablets, capsules, liquids, or syrup. Which one do you prefer? Now we have here an example of a tablet. This medicine is called a paracetamol. Now we've discussed this one already, right? So a paracetamol is a medication that is used to relieve pain and fever due to cold and other illnesses. So we can take a paracetamol 1 tablet every 4 hours, right? And some warnings can be when the patient has a kidney problem, consult the doctor. Next, do not take for 5 days in a row, only after 5 days. Now, let's go to another kind of oral medication, which is the brown mixture, or it is a liquid or a syrup kind of oral medication. What are its uses and how do we use it? So brown mixtures are used to relieve cough and removes phlegm. How do we use it? We can use the brown mixture by shaking well before we use it. So shake, shake, shake first. And also, we can take the brown mixture 3 times a day. 1 in the morning, 1 after lunch, and 1 in night. So what are the warnings or the do's and don'ts of the brown mixture? So if you are a kid under 6 years old and pregnant woman cannot use this medicine. Also, do not take for over 3 days in a row. So the brown mixture is only up until 3 days. More than that, you cannot. Now let's go to the ORS or the oral rehydration salt. This medication is used to treat dehydration due to diarrhea. How do we use it? We dissolve or mix it in the water or any other juices and drink it. After we mix it with any other liquids, we should take it within 24 hours. Next, consult a doctor before using because the doctor knows best. Now let's go to the antihistamine or chlorpheniramine maleate, or we call Tiffy. So this is a tablet kind of oral medication, and it is used for relieving symptoms of allergies and runny nose. How do we use it? 1 tablet every 4 to 6 hours. And only take for 7 days. More than that, you stop and go to your doctor. Avoid driving or using machine because this medicine causes drowsiness or makes you sleep. Next, the vitamin C tablets. As the name says, it is a tablet. Now, this medicine is used to prevent vitamin C deficiency. Means you don't have enough vitamin C in your body. How do we use it? We use it 1 tablet a day or 1 tablet in 1 day. Not 2 or not 3, but only 1. Do not take a tablet that has changed its color. Example, the vitamin C is this color, and when it becomes this color, you should throw it in the bin or leave it and don't take it. Now, we have finished the oral medication. Let's go to the topical medication. These are the medicines or drugs that can only be used externally or applied on the skin only. Okay? So this is a topical medication. It can only be applied on the skin or other external parts of the body. Now, what are the topical medications that we have? The first one that we have are the creams, ointments, and solutions for skins. So we have 3 kinds: the ointments, the creams, and the solutions. So the first one that we have here is the calamine lotion. Calamine lotion relieves itchiness due to rash or hives. So if you cannot relieve yourself from scratching, you should put or apply calamine lotion on the affected area. How do we use it? Shake well before use. So this one is a liquid type of medicine. So we have to shake it well to mix the mixture inside. Next, apply to the skin 3 to 4 times a day. So after you clean your skin or you take a bath, put or apply the calamine lotion on your skin or on the affected area where there are rashes or allergies. Like that. Next, Do not intake or do not drink the calamine lotion because it can only be applied externally. So there is a warning that says for external use only. Now let's go to the next one. Whitfield's ointment. Now what is this used for? Whitfield's ointment treats ringworm and athlete's foot. So a Whitfield's ointment treats ringworm and athlete's foot. Okay, how do we use it? Apply 2 to 3 times a day. So after you clean the affected area or after you take a bath, apply on the skin or on the foot or on the affected area the ointment. So you can apply it morning or night or after you take a bath. Next, stop using when irritation occurs. So if the ringworm or athlete's foot is not cured and it becomes worse, stop using the ointment. Now let's go to the next one. The ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. So it is popular as its name to be called an alcohol. So what is it used for? So it is used for clean wounds and cuts. Ethyl alcohol are used to clean wounds and cuts. How do we use it? Soak on a cotton ball and apply on the wounds. So we have to put the liquid into the cotton ball and apply on the cut or the wound. So as the external use only says, it can only be used on the skin or outer part of the body. Do not drink or do not intake. Next one, Gentian Violet. Gentian Violet. So what is this medicine? It is a medicine that treats mouth or tongue sore. So this one is called a canker sore. So it can be found on the gums, inside the mouth, or any areas inside your tongue. So how do we use the Gentian Violet? Soak it on a Q-tip like that and apply on the area. Don't use your fingers or your hands because it might have germs that can spread on your mouth. Only use a Q-tip, and this medicine is only for the mouth. Okay? This is used in the mouth only. And that is what we have. See you next time.